Hey guys, I'm Srivastav from the Youth Project, and today I'm going to tell you about how you install Git onto your Windows machine. For this, the first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to gitforwindows.org, and you just have to click download, and the download for the exe file must start. Now for me, I have already downloaded this file, so I will just go to that file and start the installer. At the beginner level, it is recommended that you do not alter any of the default settings which are mentioned here. So let them be as they are. Okay, this would be enough for you to do all the beginner level tasks. Okay. So these are some of the settings, some related to SSL certificates, some related to the command line style, and your password and your credential management. This you will learn in the future. So don't worry about it now and just click next, and install. Let it install. Okay. So the installation has been completed. So you don't want to view the release notes. Just click next and you're done. Now to check whether Git has been installed in a proper manner or not, you just have to go to start and type command to open your command prompt and just type git. If these commands appear on typing git, then your Git has been installed. Also, you can type git space hyphen version to check the version of Git which has been installed. So by this way you can ensure that your Git has been installed in a proper way. In some of the next videos we would cover some basic commands used in Git and some other topics like what exactly Git is and how you should use it. So for now, thank you.